Good evening, iHub. This is Technical Indicator of the Penny Stock Express. Stop by today for daily annotated charts and video charts. Watch this in high def. Just expand and select 720p in your YouTube settings. This is a member requested video chart on BFHJ. Going to talk about retracement on this stock. I really like how it moved off of this 0.0008 or 0008 all the way up to 0072. But then you had a period of pulling back and it held that 2/3 retracement support line right there. It's always important to hold that line to maintain the current trend. So it bounces back up, gets to resistance and falls back down, but this time it gets bearish and breaks that bottom trend line on the retracement. And that also breaks the MA20. Anytime you get a break on the MA20 or that 2/3 mark from the previous run, it's a bearish signal and the stock dips into a downtrend. It's holding support at the MA50 as well as the MA200, so that's at 0.0022 and 0.0019. That's a good sign. For it to continue to move and have a chance going up, I would say it needs more than the 60K that went into it today. So you're going to need probably 100K or more going into the stock for it to challenge the MA20. If you can get above 0.0036, then we start to build off of that MA20 and regain confidence that an uptrend is going to sustain itself. After that, then your resistance points are right up and through here around 006. Okay, probably 006 and then 0072. So first things first, more buying volume tomorrow could lead share price above the MA20. Then it needs to hold that area and kind of move sideways. All right, right now there's just too much downtrending taking place. Today could be a reversal sign though, so keep it on watch. I kind of like it. The RSI didn't get all the way down to the 30 line, but when the RSI turns off the 50 line, that can be a good sign. It can mean that even though it broke the MA20 and turned bearish and the trend was broken, that buyers are going to come back in at some point. So this needs continuation. Your MAC is curling, so that's good. Your Williams percent R is coming out of oversold. We want to see it cross that -80 line tomorrow. And if the buying comes back in, then the OBV will turn back up. So really, it's as simple as just looking for more buying volume. And it's as easy as volume precedes price. Without the buyers, then it's not going to be able to get above this mark. Without getting above this mark, it's sending signals to traders that it's bearish. And people exit their position and move on, and that causes more bearish downtrends. I don't think that's going to happen though. I think BFHJ could in fact work off of this candle tomorrow. So I'm going to say bullish on BFHJ, slightly bullish. All right, and volume needs to increase above $60,000 traded on the stock tomorrow. That's my take. Hopefully you've learned something from this video chart. Have a great evening, everybody. Here's my disclosure.